Could you cover 6 months of bills if your income stopped tonight? No credit cards, no loans, just cash. If that stings, this video is your 6-month emergency fund challenge. I'll give you the math, the rules, and a weekly system. Simple and fast. Why this matters. Emergencies don't give you any warning. Layoffs, medical bills, car failures. A cash buffer keeps bills paid, protects your credit, and buys time to make smart choices. The simple math lists only essential expenses: housing, utilities, basic groceries, transport, minimum debt payments, insurance, phone, medical basics, the ground rules. 4 rules for the challenge: untouchable cash, real emergencies only. Separate high-yield savings, don't mix with checking. Automate weekly, pay yourself first. Track 1 metric, % of target. The roadmap, 4 fast phases. Phase 1, mini fund, 1K, 2K. 2 to 6 weeks, sell 3 to 5 items this week. Tech, furniture, gear. Pause non-essential subscriptions for 60 days. Tight grocery list for 4 weeks. Phase 2, 1 month of essentials. 1 to 3 months. Automate $50 to $200 a week, or % of every deposit. Add a temporary side stream, deliveries, tutoring, freelance. 100% to savings. Call internet to phone to drop to loyalty light plan. Phase 3, 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 30-day no list. No delivery fees, no impulse apparel, no under $20 leaks. All windfalls, tax refund, gifts, overtime, fund, re-quote insurance, bundle if cheaper. Phase 4, 6 months, 6 to 12 plus months. Raise auto transfer 10 to 20% with each income bump. Quarterly audit, cancel 1 recurring cost per quarter. Keep it liquid. This is protection, not an investment. Your weekly system, do this every week. Repeat this loop till you hit your number auto transfer cleared. If no, fix today. Sold 1 item or booked 1 micro gig? Cut 1 small leak? Fee, app, snack runs? Log balance and % to target. Momentum. What counts as an emergency? Ask. Unexpected. Necessary for health, dark housing, work? Cheaper option payment plan? If answer is yes in these situations, job loss, urgent medical, car repair to keep job, essential home repair, leak. If answer is no in these situations, vacations, upgrades, sales, FOMO. If it fails the test, don't touch the fund. The discipline gets you to 6 months. Let's discuss a few frequently asked questions on Emergency Fund Challenge. Q. I've got high interest debt, save or pay off? A. Build 1 to 2K mini fund first to stop new debt, then attack high interest while still auto-saving a small amount. Q. My income is irregular. How do I automate? A. Use a percentage rule. Move 10 to 20% of each deposit the same day. Q. Where do I keep it? A. Separate high-yield savings, no fees, fast transfers. Liquidity beats chasing returns. Q. Hit 6 months. Now what? A. Freeze the fund. New dollars. Investments, retirement, goals. Future. You will thank you. Tonight, calculate essentials, open the account, and automate your first transfer. Comment 6 months for the tracker. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a real plan.